So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on gold. But before that, make sure you subscribe so you get an update and follow the Telegram. Now, if you take a look at this gold, right, we all know that gold is kind of like a safe haven currency, meaning now when there is an uncertainty, many investors tend to pile up on gold. So due to the fact that things are happening right now, we should be expecting more movement to the upside on gold. As you can see on our full trend, gold is literally on a bullish move. We are playing this bullish move has actually started since 2022, right? It has literally been giving us that bullish move to the upside. So we should still be expecting more movement to the upside, especially the uncertainty that is currently going on. So we should be expecting more movement to the upside of gold. Now let's go to our 4-hour time frame. We can clearly see something like our higher high here and a pullback. Then we add a new higher high. Here is the pullback, and this is our higher high. We just gotten a pullback, and now we should be expecting a new movement to the upside. So our target for this week should be 3,479. So 3,479, that is about 3,479. That is our target for this week. So if probably markets taps the level, we are likely to break above it. But once it gets to that level, I'm going to give you an update. So just watch out for the updates.